Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you all are doing amazing today. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful techniques for improving your English, the shadowing technique. Many learners struggle with speaking, pronunciation, and listening. They know words, grammar, and even understand English, but when it comes to speaking naturally, they feel stuck. That's where shadowing comes in. Shadowing is a method used by language learners worldwide to improve pronunciation, fluency, accent, and listening skills. Today, I'm going to explain what shadowing is, why it works, how to do it, and practical exercises you can use every day to master English faster. Part 1. What is the shadowing technique? Shadowing is a simple but powerful technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say immediately after them, almost simultaneously. It's like being a shadow of the speaker. You mimic their words' tone, rhythm, and intonation. And like traditional repetition or reading aloud, shadowing helps you think in English, not just translate from your native language. It improves your fluency, natural accent, and confidence in speaking. Part 2. Why shadowing works? Shadowing works because it combines listening, speaking, and imitation at the same time. Here's why it's effective. Improves pronunciation. Repeating native speakers helps you pronounce words correctly. Builds a natural rhythm and intonation. You learn how sentences rise and fall naturally. Enhances listening skills. You train your ear to understand fast, natural English. Boosts fluency. Speaking immediately after the speaker helps you think in English. Increases confidence. Practicing shadowing daily reduces fear of speaking. Even top language learners and interpreters use shadowing to achieve fluency. Part 3. How to start shadowing. Starting with shadowing is simple, but it requires focus. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose the right material. Start with short audio clips, dialogues, podcasts, or YouTube videos in English. Make sure they are clear and easy to understand. Listen first. Play the audio once to understand the content. Don't try to speak yet. Just listen carefully. Repeat while listening. Play the audio again and start repeating immediately after the speaker. Try to match their pace, tone, and pronunciation. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Don't just say the words. Mimic how the speaker says them. Repeat daily. Consistency is key. Practice 15 to 20 minutes daily and gradually increase time. Part 4. Choosing the right materials. Not all materials are suitable for shadowing. Here's what works best. Short dialogues, 1 to 2 minutes long, easy to repeat. Podcasts for English learners. They speak clearly and slowly. Movies or TV clips. Use subtitles to understand content, then remove them for shadowing. Audiobooks, good for practicing rhythm and sentence flow. YouTube speaking videos, motivational or educational videos with clear speech. Start simple, and as you improve, move to more complex material. Part 5. Shadowing exercise. Share our practical shadowing exercises you can do daily. Sentence shadowing. Take one sentence at a time, listen, and repeat exactly. Focus on pronunciation. Paragraph shadowing. Shadow short paragraphs to practice flow and intonation. Dialogue shadowing. Shadow both parts of a conversation to practice real-life interaction. Speed shadowing. After mastering normal speed, shadow at a slightly faster pace to improve fluency. Mimic emotion and tone. Pay attention to how speakers express emotions and try to replicate that. Part 6. Common mistakes to avoid while shadowing is effective. Learners often make mistakes. Shadowing too fast. Start slow. Don't rush. Ignoring intonation. Focus on rhythm and stress, not just words. Skipping difficult words. Practice difficult words instead of avoiding them. Not listening carefully. Shadowing requires careful attention, not just repeating blindly. Inconsistent practice. Daily practice is more effective than occasional. Long sessions. Part 7. Benefits of daily shadowing. Regular shadowing has amazing benefits. Improved pronunciation. Speak clearly like native speakers. Enhance listening skills. Understand fast, natural English. Increased fluency. Think and respond faster in conversations. Better accent. Develop a natural, smooth accent. Confidence in speaking. Less fear of mistakes and hesitation. Even spending 20 to 30 minutes daily can bring noticeable improvement in a few months. Part 8. Real-life example. Let me share some examples. Rahul, a student, struggled with pronunciation and fluency. He started shadowing English podcasts for 20 minutes daily. Within 3 months, he could speak clearly and confidently in class. Priya, who wanted to improve her accent, shadowed motivational YouTube videos. She practiced mimicking intonation and emotion, and soon her speech sounded more natural. These examples show that shadowing works for everyone, regardless of your current level. Part 9. Advanced shadowing techniques. Since you're comfortable, you can try advanced techniques. Transcript shadowing. Read along with the transcript while shadowing to understand words you don't know. Silent shadowing. Move your lips silently while listening, then repeat aloud. This improves listening and mental processing. Varied materials. Use movies, interviews, speeches, and podcasts to expose yourself to different accents and speeds. Role shadowing. Act like a character in dialogues to practice tone, stress, and emotion. Time shadowing. Shadow for a fixed period without pausing to improve stamina. Part 10. Combining shadowing with other techniques. Shadowing is powerful, but combining it with other techniques accelerates progress. Vocabulary building. Learn new words from the audio you shadow. Grammar practice. Notice sentence structures while shadowing. Speaking with people. Use shadowing as preparation for real-life conversations. Recording yourself. Compare your shadowing with native speakers for improvement. Part 11. Daily shadowing routine. Here's a simple daily routine for maximum results. Morning, 10 minutes of sentence or dialogue shadowing. Afternoon, 10 to 15 minutes of paragraph shadowing from podcasts or YouTube. Evening, 10 minutes of speed or emotion shadowing. Night, record yourself, compare with native speakers, and note areas to improve. Consistency is key. Even 3040 minutes daily can dramatically improve your English in 2 to 3 months. Part 12. Motivation and mindset. Shadowing may feel challenging at first. Don't give up. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate every small improvement, pronunciation, speed, or confidence. Remember, fluency is a journey, and shadowing is one of the fastest ways to reach it. Mistakes are part of learning. Every error brings you closer to mastery. Part 13. Final thoughts. Shadowing technique is one of the most effective methods for improving English speaking, listening, pronunciation, and fluency. With daily practice, focus, and the right materials, anyone can speak English confidently and naturally. Start simple, practice consistently, and gradually increase difficulty. Remember, the key is listening carefully, imitating accurately, and practicing every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this inspires you to use the shadowing technique to improve your English and become a confident speaker. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational, educational, and practical content. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, your English will improve faster than you think with shadowing.